In this video, we're going to discuss the best air pistol for the money you can find on the market. You'll learn about the 6 best air pistol for the money, what makes them the right candidates to use for your money, where and how to use them. As always, all links to the recommended air pistol have been included in the description below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I publish a new video. Regardless of purpose, a reliable air pistol will get you going on your assignment or task. As it is the norm, the quality of an air pistol should be second to none. We call it value for money. You don't want to purchase a brand new pistol for top dollar only to see it causing upset after upset. Think about it this way. You are at it in the farm hunting down rabbits and other notorious vermins. You want to hit the targets almost always each time you pull the trigger. However, that goal might not be achieved if you have the wrong choice of the air pistol. Before the botched pistol stops your ambitions, wait a minute. That is the very reason this video about the best air pistols was created. In this video, I present some of the best air pistol for the money. They may not be the very best. Most of them can get your job done to the bone. So let's get started. Number 1. Glock 19 Generation 3 BB Gun Air Pistol. Glock 19 Generation 3 is a CO2 powered BB air pistol that boasts top-linking results. The Generation 3 comes issued as a .177 BB repeater that utilizes 12-gram CO2 cartridges for power. The BB pistol is a reliable tool that has won hearts of many plinkers across the globe. The cartridge offers a capacity of 16 BBs, which can be shot at speeds of up to 410 FPS. The BBs are steel in nature. The air pistol also comes with a 15-round magazine that is easily removable and simple to load. You have the integrated weaver rail for accessory attachments including the flashlight and laces. Into the design is the 4.25-inch long steel barrel, and the overall size of the pistol is not more than 7.25 inches, making a very compact, lightweight tool to have by the side. It features a metal slide that allows in fixed Glock sights. In addition, there is a double-action trigger which is easy to pull. Its pros include: it looks like a real pistol, it is lightweight, and it is comfortable and easy to handle. Its cons are: there is no blowback action. Overall, it's a well-made air pistol with plenty of great features. Number 2. Benjamin Marauder PCP Air Pistol. Benjamin Marauder PCP is one of the best air pistol options around thanks to its powerful bolt-action performance. The Benjamin Marauder PCP is a pneumatic type of the air pistols, meaning it doesn't use CO2, but rather only high pressure for power. In that context, this pistol uses 2900 psi compressed air stored in a 65cc reservoir. Then, there is an included pressure gauge to notify you when the air pressure goes down. Benjamin Marauder PCP is a .22 caliber air pistol that comes equipped with a 12-inch choked and shrouded barrel. This barrel lasts long and provides awesome accuracy. Moreover, the pistol offers one 8-round magazine with auto-indexing. It is reliable performer given that it can shoot to velocities up to 700 FPS. You might as well appreciate the synthetic ambidextrous torque with grip for comfortable handling. While it has no open sights, you can add your own scope or dot sight to improve visuals. Its pros include: it is fast and reliable, it is powerful, and it is quiet. Its cons are: it has no sights and it is hard to feel. Overall, it's a decent air pistol for small game hunting. Number 3. Benjamin Trail NP Break Barrel Pistol. Benjamin Trail NP Break Barrel Air Pistol is a popular air pistol that leverages the nitro piston technology for its power. This Trail NP comes as a .177 caliber with excellent shooting performance, yet it is also touted as a fun tool for ardent shooters. Coming with a rifled barrel, the single-shot break barrel pistol offers some great velocities. It shoots 625 FPS, which is great and better than most of its peers. With the nitro piston technology, the Benjamin Trail NP is one of the best air pistols in terms of smoother cocking and shooting, including durability. It comes with a solid synthetic and lightweight stock with a textured grip for easier maneuverability. The rear of the stock has no butt plate. For sighting, it has fiber optic front sight and the rear sight that is adjustable. Given its size, you can also add scopes to enhance sighting thanks to the 11mm dovetail. Its pros include: it is accurate, it features dual sighting, it comes with an efficient nitro piston technology. Its cons are: it is a little heavy, and it is a bit tough to break the barrel open. Overall, it's a nice pistol with great accuracy and yet affordable. Number 4. Umarex XBG .177 caliber BB gun air pistol. The Umarex XBG .177 caliber BB gun is yet another one of the best air pistol for the money options. You don't want to overlook an air pistol with a respectable 410 FPS shooting speeds. Equipped with a 12-gram CO2 cartridge, plus the fact that it's a semi-automatic, the XBG poses as one of the top plinking tools, especially for beginners. I need to also emphasize that it is ridiculously inexpensive, making it very popular for starters. Price aside, you get a 19-round drop-free BB magazine and its ammunition is quite cheap. The barrel is smooth bore and measures just 4.25 inches. Add this to the 0.7 pound weight and you have an extremely lightweight and compact shooting device. Besides, it has both front and rear sights. However, it lacks scope mounts, which means you don't have the opportunity to add the scopes. It also features a double-action trigger for efficient and effective shooting. The synthetic stock ends in a textured grip that makes shooting comfortable and fun. Its pros include: it's easy to use, it is extremely lightweight, and it is cheap. Its cons include: it comes with a long trigger pull, and there are magazine jams. Overall, it's a great air pistol for beginners. If you want a serious pistol, then you can consider another one, not this. Number 5. Daisy Powerline 415 Pistol Airgun Kit. If you want another affordable air pistol which packs a lot of great value, then Daisy Powerline 415 may be a worthwhile option. The Powerline 415 comes as a kit that includes the pistol itself, safety glasses, 3 CO2 cartridges, and 350 Daisy steel BBs to complete the package. This air pistol is offered in .177 caliber and is capable of shooting up to 500 FPS. With a 21-round magazine that can be easily removed from the bottom of the grip, you don't just have a fun pistol but also an easy one to handle. The air pistol is ergonomically built for the comfort of the shooter. That is why it has a nice synthetic stock with ambidextrous grip that is textured to give your hand a nice feel. You have a smooth-bore barrel, but the pistol has no scopes, although there are both blade front sight and fixed rear sights to help you with sighting. This is a lightweight air pistol given it weighs in at just 1 pound, and it's great for fun shooting and plinking. Its pros include: it is lightweight, it comes with a great price, it features semi-automatic action. Overall, it's a nice little air pistol for the money. It is accurate with BBs, comes as a package, and it is inexpensive. Number 6. Crosman 2240 Bolt Action CO2 Pellet Pistol .22 caliber. With the Crosman 2240 Bolt Action CO2 Pellet Pistol, you have one of the most powerful CO2 pellet guns. It is reliable in performance and produces no recoil, which makes it even more attractive for plinking and target shooting. Crosman 2240 is well constructed and perfect tool for close-range hunting of small critters. A 12-gram CO2 cartridge powers this pistol while it sends out pellets at a decent velocity of up to 460 FPS. The Crosman 2240 is only available in the .22 caliber. With a rifled steel barrel that measures 7.5 inches, the pistol is accurate and durable. It features both front sight and adjustable rear sight, which is important for closing into your target whether you are plinking or hunting varmints. The trigger offers a single-stage trigger action, and its pull is decent for easy and efficient shots. Its pros include: it is accurate at short distances, it boasts a solid construction, and it features a simple design. Its cons are, there are complaints about sights and it is loud. Overall, this is a go-for tool for hunting down rampaging small pests like iguanas and lizards. It's also easy to shoot. I know you enjoyed this video about the best air pistol for the money, didn't you? I'll be happy if you can like it and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos like this. Until next time, take care.